First is to click on the File Explorer. Once the File Explorer opens, you may be landed on the home. All right. So here I'm on the home. But let's work on the music folder. So I'll click on music. So you can see in this music folder, I have a lot of files scattered around here. Okay. And that's not really what I want to have here. I want to make this folder to stay clean. So the next step I need to take here is to organize these files, place them inside one particular folder so that this will look neat, kind of. Okay. If you're working on downloads or documents, this still applies. Okay. So let me create a folder. To create a folder, click on new and select folder. So here, let me call it a name of my choice. You can call it a name of your choice as well. So let me call this basic files. Okay. All right, files. After you are done creating a folder, press the enter key of your computer keyboard for it to save. Now, this folder is now created, so you can click out for it not to be selected because before it was selected, I clicked out and it's now deselected. Now we want to gather all these files here and add inside this folder so that we can only have one item here that contains a lot. So what you need to do is to click on the first file here, then long press and hold on the control key of your computer keyboard and start clicking on others. All right. You can see all these files are being selected. Once you finish selecting them, release the pressure on the control key. Okay. Remember, once any is selected, you will see the color will change. All right. So take your cursor to one of the files that are selected. Press and hold on the left button of your mouse. All right. Don't release the pressure. Then move your mouse till you get to this folder you created and release the pressure. You can see it's showing us that there are 8 items right now. So I'll release the pressure. And all these files now are now gathered into this particular folder. You can see if I click on that folder, you see them. But it makes this music folder to be clean.